have questions. I don't even know how to phrase the question. They say they can only see like 13.7 billion light years away. Okay? So the distance light can travel 13.7 billion is as far as they can see, because that's how old the universe is. So it's not possible to see further than that. The universe is also expanding. It's expanding in all directions away from us. And it's accelerating. What that means is, the stars around us are getting further away from us at one rate. And say the galaxies around our galaxy are going away from us at an even faster rate. And the galaxies beyond that are moving even faster, and so on. But the acceleration is to the point where it goes faster than the speed of light. And what that means is that the universe is really big. Like, the size of the universe can't even be really determined, because we can only see so far, because we can only see as far as time will allow us to see. Also, when it comes to traveling at the speed of light, or approaching the speed of light, if I were to travel away from the Earth at the speed of light for 50 years here on Earth, and then came back another 50 years, 100 years would have passed on Earth, but only, I don't know how long would have passed for me. Not long at all. A couple months, depending on how close to the speed of light I was. Getting back to the universe expanding at speeds greater than the speed of light. Now, the universe isn't bound by the speed of light because the universe isn't expanding into a vacuum. The universe is the vacuum that the speed of light can travel no faster than 186,000 miles per second. At one point, it's expanding at the speed of light. Now, as you approach the speed of light, time approaches zero. So, my question is, if the stars that are 13.7 billion light years away from us, or galaxies or whatever, are expanding at the speed of light, then essentially, relative to us, there's no time, because relative to us, they're moving at the speed of light. But then, what if you were to reverse the situation? What if we were at that point moving away from them? Because I guess technically we are. If everything's expanding in every direction, then if we're standing on that planet, however many billions of light years away, then the Earth would be moving away from them at the speed of light. So, wouldn't time stop for us also? Or is time constant in that case, because we're both technically moving away from each other at the same time? See, it's a very hard question to phrase. And then, also what I don't understand is if the universe is expanding in every direction, and it's accelerating as you get further away from Earth, then that would lead me to believe that it doesn't matter where you are in the universe, since it's expanding in all directions, it's accelerating in all directions from any given point. So, but who's actually moving? Because if you're over there, 13.5 billion light years away, on planet whatever, and you look towards our galaxy, we would be moving away at a very high rate of speed. So it's not that the space is, it's almost like it's blowing up. See what I mean? Mind-boggling. Very cool, though. Very cool. It's all well and good that I have these big questions. If I want to find the answers, or if I want to come to have peace without knowing the answers, because at least one of those two things I think will happen. And it doesn't matter to me which one it is. because in the end, there's always going to be questions that there are no answers for.